Hello everyone! Today I'll be sharing a recipe for juicy, tender, and incredibly flavorful pan-seared chicken legs. This is an exceptionally easy recipe, and the most crucial step is the marination. You may enjoy them as they are or remove the meat from the bone, savor them with a salad, rice, or noodles. And they even make a fantastic sandwich meat. Let's dive in and get started. Start with 5 chicken legs. Make sure to clean them and pat them dry with a paper towel. For enhanced marination flavor, we will create a shallow cut along the area where the big bone is. You don't need to separate the meat from the bone. Rather, think of it as a butterfly chicken legs. Then flip it over to the other side and make 2 shallow cuts there as well. Be sure that the side with the exposed bone is facing up before proceeding with the marination. This will allow the marinated sauce to penetrate the meat more efficiently. Next, prepare about 6 to 8 cloves of minced garlic. Add about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic on chicken legs first. Then soak the rest of the minced garlic in the water. Ensure the water covers the minced garlic. Allow it to soak on the side while we marinate the chicken legs with other sauces. To marinate the chicken legs, use 2 to 3 tablespoons of ground pepper, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and salt to taste. Additionally, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of ginger slices and 3 tablespoons of minced scallions. You can adjust the quantity of marination ingredients to your personal preference. For example, if you like more garlicky, then add more minced garlic. Add a little bit of chili powder if you like more spicy. Once you've added all the marination ingredients to the chicken legs, use your hands to thoroughly massage and combine the marination ingredients with each chicken leg. Pour the garlic water with the minced garlic on top of each chicken leg and sprinkle minced scallions on top as well. Cover and let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, or even overnight, as I did for this video. Longer marination results in deeper flavors, so it's worth the wait. The next day, or after the marination time has passed, remove some of the minced garlic from the chicken legs. You don't have to remove them completely, as we will be using the rest of the marination sauce later to cook the chicken legs. Heat the pan over medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Allow the oil to warm up. Add all the chicken legs to the pan. Let it cook for 5 minutes without lid, and try not to move them too much. We are trying to develop that crust on the bottom. Flip them over to the other side and repeat the same process for another 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, this side is already looking beautifully golden and crusty. After 5 minutes cooking on second side, pour all the marination sauce on top of each chicken leg. Then we'll cover the pan with a lid. Cook for 5 minutes. Flip the chicken legs over again after the first 5 minutes with the lid on. Cover with the lid again. Cook for another 5 minutes. After the second 5 minutes with the lid on, flip them once more. Cover with the lid and turn off the stove. Let the remaining heat in the pan finish the cooking. And that's it. After about 30 minutes, you'll have this beautiful, tender, juicy, and super flavorful chicken legs. Enjoy them in the way you love. I hope you enjoy this process and do give this recipe a try. I promise you won't be regret. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy cooking, everyone!